और इसी के साथ, let the vibe of inspiration continue, ladies and gentlemen. क्योंकि कहते हैं कि अपने हौसले को, it would have felt great, listening to all the cheers had we been on ground. But, let's just make the best use of whatever we have and celebrate it. क्योंकि कहते हैं कि अपने हौसले को कभी मत ये बताओ कि आपकी तकलीफ कितनी बड़ी है. अपनी तकलीफ को जरा ये बता दो कि आपका हौसला कितना बुलंद है. Well, इन्हीं बुलंदियों को छूते हुए we are going to enter into our next category of the evening, which is Product Ninja. Now, if I talk about these, they address the pain points of customers by providing just the right sized solution, just the curated one. Well, these techno commercial partners went beyond the call of their duty, went out of their way to make it easy for the customers, ultimately, to just get the right solution. So I'm sure they deserve a big round of cheer, right? If you all agree with me, make some noise, send in those comments, show some love, click that selfie. I hope you're just having the best experience on this experiential platform at the same time. Let's invite our presenters for this category. Well, let's have Ronidhar, Bhavesh, and Kamal joining us. With a good round of cheer from my side. And allow me to please welcome our awardee. Let's give it up for Grovin Tele Technologies for Yota Enterprise Cloud. A big congratulations. Kunal Soni, come forward and accept the honors.
Congratulations.
Congrats, Kunal.
Congratulations, Kunal.
Thank you so much.
All right, congratulations once again. And with that, Ronik, I'll say a thank you to you. And I would invite Amit Dubey on the stage with that. And I know Kamal and Bhavesh would be, like always, dutifully positioned, stationed on the stage. So with that, let's give it up, ladies and gentlemen, under this very powerful category. I would like to say this is a sensitive, relatable category of Product Ninja. So let's give it up for JLL Property Consultants India for Desktop as a Service. A big, big congratulations, and inviting you, Bipin Shukla, to please accept the honors.
Thank you, Yota, for giving us this honor, and of course, thanks to my team all across Hyderabad, which was Bhavna and Rohit, and of course, due to limitation, they are not here. But thank you, again. Yota and us, we are partners together, and as Sunil mentioned in the beginning, that we are in this together, and it's always a privilege to partner with you guys. So thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Dipendra.
So thanks.
Congratulations, Dipendra and JLL team. Congratulations.
Congratulations, JLL team.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Well, celebrated mightily well, Dipendra, I would like to say, and the entire team of JLL out there, this is your evening. Just make it grand. Yes, we are super proud of you. And with that, Amit, I'm going to say thank you to you. Kamal, I still remember the dialogue that you said, although I can't say it half beautifully as you did, but thank you for joining us. And with that, Mr. Nilesh Mistry, we would love it if you join us as our presenter along with Rajesh Garg, and of course Bhavesh. We've just held him already onto the screens. So all right, this time let's say all the kudos, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give it up for Peridot Systems and Services for co-location. Well, it would be great if you do have come forward and join us to accept the honors, but nevertheless, let's have a look. Preeti, we'll just request you to unmute yourselves. You are glowing in the glory. We'll just like to hear you as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the award.
Thank you so much, Sunil, and thank you so much, Yota team. This is an amazing journey. We've just started off. After the corporate world, I got into entrepreneur, world, and in just recent last 2 quarters, we kind of started off well. My heartfelt thank you to everyone in the Yota team, right from Sunil to account management team to partner team led by Bhavesh. Nilesh has been extremely helpful whenever I kind of bothered him. In fact, multiple calls when we had, it was like Bhavesh calling Bhavesh, and we used to kind of get confused, whether it is Bhavesh Adia or Bhavesh Mathur. So it is an amazing journey. I would say that, from the entire team of Peridot, I'm looking forward for this most strategic partnership for us in this space. We all know that this space is going to turn around, extremely well in next 5 years time. We all know that. And that is the reason that, I kind of took the plan of getting into this space, joining hands with Yota. Superbly excited for the times ahead. Thank you so much.
Congratulations,
Thank
Preeti,
you.
and congratulations, Bhavesh. We have a long way to go.
Thank you.
Many congratulations, Peridot team.
Thank you.
Congratulations once again, Preeti and Bhavesh.
Thank you.
Thanks, Bhavesh.
All right, so those lovely congratulations. With that, we're all set to announce our next award winner in this category. Nilesh, I got to say thank you to you, and I'm going to be, inviting Renuka back on the stage. So with that, the name is, ladies and gentlemen, let's extend some very, very happy round of applauses and give it up for Ebon Consulting for SAP hosting. Hearty congratulations to Ebon Consulting. Could we please request Satish Mittal to join us?
Am I audible?
Well,
Yes, Satish.
as audible as your success is.
Thank you very much. See, we acknowledge this recognition of Ebon as a partner, and it has been a good journey. This reward is actually a recognition for the effort of my team, which is Mr. Naresh, Ria, Naveen, and Shreya. All effort from their end. We're thankful to the Yota leadership, starting with Sunilji, Amit, Bhavesh, Sashi, where we have been working together on a lot of things, late evenings. So whatever achievements we have done over this period, it's a joint achievement for Yota and Ebon. We look forward to being partner of choice for Yota in coming years and scaling more heights. Thank you.
Thank you, Satish. Congratulations. And thanks for being our go-to partner for SAP. We look forward to work with you.
Thank you.
Congrats, Satish and the Ebon team once again.
Thank you, Bhaveshji. Thank you very much.
Congrats, Satish and Ebon team. Thanks for your
Thank you,
wonderful
Rai.
job.
Thank you.
All right, so, it just feels so special with all that vibe and attitude of gratitude that we're just witnessing. I think, Satish, we would like to say that thank you for giving us a reason to celebrate you, and congratulations once again to Ebon Consulting. And with that, Renuka, thank you. You bring in a lot of, vibrancy onto our stage. Thank you for that. And Rajesh, thank you to you as well. Bhavesh will not let you go anywhere. And up next as a presenter, I'm going to be inviting again Ronik and Amit to join us, please. And the next award, ladies and gentlemen, is all reserved for, let's give it up for IBITS Technology Solutions for high performance computing right there. Vijay KT, if you're all set, please join us and accept the honors.
Thank you. Thank you for this recognition and enabling us to be the ninja of HPC solutions. So I think it's the diverse product lines that Yota has given us an opportunity to reach out to companies and to offer them the right kind of solution. I would like to thank the partner management team, especially Bhavesh and Ronik, for supporting us, and also the sales team who has supported us in this journey. Thank you all.
Congratulations, Bijoy and the entire IBITS team. You have been really instrumental in the region, and we look forward to your continued support. Thank you.
Thanks, Ronik.
Thanks, Vijay. Congratulations.
Congrats, Bijoy.
Thanks, Bhavesh. Thank you all.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the Golden Circle Awards, a trophy would adorn IBITS Technology Solutions cabinet out there. And with that, Ronik, thank you to you. Renuka, could we have you back as a presenter? Because we're all set to celebrate the mighty win of our final winner under this category, which you all know is being very proudly titled as Product Ninja. So there you go, Quantum Shield Technologies LLP. Highest level of enthusiasm and congratulations. This is for Yota Enterprise Cloud. If you're around, please come forward and accept the honors.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much for this. We are, as a team, we are honored by this award, what Yota has presented, right? So, as a team, right, Yota has been very helpful and really supportive in making the success, and we want to replicate this and join you in the journey of our success, right? And from Quantum Shield, thank you all, and looking forward for the same support. Thank you.
Congrats, Kishore. Thanks for keeping
Yeah, thanks, Renuka. Right, so we look forward.
Thanks for
the
keeping
support.
us fort in the South region.
Yeah.
We look
Sure,
forward to
we'll
working.
do that. Thanks.
Great.
Bye.
Congrats.
Congrats,
Thank
congrats, Kishore.
Thanks, Bhavesh.